To use the SDK for Uniswap v3, start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and its protocol. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The Uniswap v3 SDK is a set of tools that allows developers to interact with the Uniswap protocol programmatically. First, install the Uniswap v3 SDK using npm or yarn by running the command npm install at Uniswap v3 SDK. This will install the necessary packages and dependencies required to use the SDK. Next, import the SDK in your JavaScript file using the line const chain ID. Token amount equals require at Uniswap v3 SDK. Then, define the chain ID and the tokens you want to work with. For example, to work with Ethereum and the USDT token, use the lines const chain ID equals chain ID, mainnet and const USDT equals new token. Chain ID 0xDAC117F958D22069945997C13D831EC 7 feet. 6. After defining the tokens, you can use the SDK to get the price of a token. For example, to get the price of USDT in terms of ETH, use the line const athust price equals new price. USDT token ETH1 to provide liquidity to a pool. First, define the pool using the line const pool equals new pool token ETH. USDT fee amount medium 1. Then, use the pool to calculate the liquidity and the amounts of tokens required to provide liquidity. Best practices for using the Uniswap v3 SDK include handling errors and exceptions properly, using the correct chain ID and token addresses, and testing your code thoroughly before deploying it to production. By following these steps and best practices, developers can use the Uniswap v3 SDK to build powerful and decentralized applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol. The SDK provides a wide range of features and tools that enable developers to build complex and customized applications, from simple trading bots to complex decentralized finance protocols.